Today we will show you our multi-span greenhouse. The size of the greenhouse can be customized. The regular size is 8 meters wide, 60 meters long, 3 meters high at the shoulder, and 4.8 meters high at the top. The greenhouse structure is made of hot-dip galvanized high-quality steel pipes with a service life of up to 20 years. The surface is covered with high-quality PE mold. There are side ventilation systems on both sides of the greenhouse, and manual or electric film rolls can be selected. If there is a higher ventilation requirement, an optional roof ventilation system is available. The greenhouse uses double sliding doors, with or without a foyer. The front end of the greenhouse is equipped with a negative pressure fan, and the rear end is equipped with a wet curtain. A circulating fan can be used inside to increase air circulation. Insect nets are attached to the windows to prevent pests from entering.